Hi everybody, this is Aarti from Only Paitani, and we are back today with some new set of dupattas and saris for you. Today we are going to show you pure silk Paitani dupattas and some pure silk saris with Paitani motifs on it. Let me start you off with the Paitani dupattas for now. So the first one today here is a beautiful red munia dupatta. The munia borders, and we have we have peacock motifs like peacock buttas all over the dupatta. And this is the beautiful palla of the dupatta with two pairs of peacocks, very beautifully woven, new peacock motifs and a couple of flowers as well. Very colorful, and the palla comes on both the sides, the front and the back of the dupatta, and it's a good 2.5, almost 42 to 3 meters, 2.75 meters of dupatta, and a full sari panna dupatta here, so you can easily combine it with your lehengas as well. Next we have is a beautiful black dupatta with linings. Very modern when we look at the Paitani style of weaving. The stripes on the Paitani are quite modern. It's a modern style. However, the borders are munia borders, very traditional, and the palla also is the very traditional palla of three pairs of peacock. Like we see, this is the motif we very commonly see on the sari as well. This is woven on a very antique zari base. So comes out very beautifully for the black dupatta. Again, very versatile, as I have been saying, for all dupattas. And this is how it looks. Very beautiful, very rich looking color combination here. And I feel we never go wrong with black, so that's the one for you. Next we have is orange dupatta with munia borders. A shorter palla on this one, about 38 inches, and full length. For those of you who feel, the sari panna becomes a bit too wide. But in silk, it really doesn't matter. It looks very grand. And this is how the palla is on this one. Pairs of peacock and other colorful motifs. And on the other side as well. Zari buttas on the entire dupatta too. Then we have here is a very gorgeous neonish color dupatta, like parrot greenish but two-tone, more of a neonish color, and silver borders on this one. Again munia borders, and a very traditional palla. Silver linings too. Really looks very pretty color, and will bring out any outfit that you decide to pair with this one. Moving on to the saris, we have one here in bottle green with stripes and silver zari. Very beautiful, rich, deep bottle green color, and the zari really comes out on this one, and the stripes also give it a very nice modern twist. The pallu is a very traditional 7 pairs of peacock woven on a silver zari base again. This is the blouse piece, the plain, and very traditional Paitani borders. Most most of these products are already now available on our website onlypatterney.com, and these would also be available at our Bangalore store. So if you're in Bangalore, do drop in to visit and have a look at them. The next sari we have here is a beautiful off-white with checks on it and paisley buttas, and the borders here are a tissue base and with peacocks woven at a distance on the border. These peacocks, these are woven with the jacquard technique, and hence you see a very thin lines and fineness in the weaving. Though it's not entirely hand woven, but it's woven on a handloom. The checks and the buttas are all through the sari, including the pleats at the same distance, and this is the beautiful pallu. A very pretty, elegant sari. The pink borders also lend a nice contrast while keeping the elegance. Next we have here is a very nice purple shade, a very two-tone shade. Traditional borders on the the top side of the sari. At the same time, if you see, these are the bottom borders. These are more of a fusion of a Kanchivaram border or a Gadwal border, rather a Gadwal border with the Paithani border. And the buttas are also in gold and silver, like what we call as the Sona Rupa zari. Even the borders are woven. This part is in silver, whereas the borders are in golden. And this is the palla. A very beautiful take, or a fusion of two pretty motifs on a sari. Completely pure silk, and the buttas go all through inside at the same distance. Next we have is a lovely turquoise blue with parrots on the border. Again, similar weaving technique of jacquard, and peacock buttas all through in the checks. Very rich, grand looking sari. The meenakari also in the peacocks bring out a lot of color on the body and complements the turquoise blue color. The borders here, you will see parrots along with a single flower woven on the borders. It's a tissue base. The checks and the peacock buttas on the sari are all through the sari. And this is how the pallu looks like. Very pretty, deep, rich turquoise color, or a chintamani shade that a lot of people would know this as. The last one here today, a beautiful pastel baby pink, gorgeous shade of pink here with Sona Rupa borders and buttas. Similar border like the Gadwal and Paithani combination going on the bottom border. The top border is a very traditional border. And this is the palla. Color is a very soft, rich pink, a soft baby pink, and it's got a very rich sheen to it because because of slight two-tone which is being used in the warp and weft. This is how the sari looks like. So these all, like I said, are available online already, and you can drop by at the store anytime. You can DM us or WhatsApp us if you need to reach out to us to buy or to order. You can reach us on 9833767750. And in the meantime, please take care and be safe. We will be back soon with some more sarees. Till then, bye-bye.